Okay, so in this video I'm gonna take Kicksecure, which is a hardened Debian version, and turn it into a Linux Mint Cinnamon. So I'm gonna install Cinnamon, the Cinnamon desktop on Kicksecure, just to make it look better, because the XFCE desktop on there, it's terrible. Right, so let's just so this is just a default install of Kicksecure. So there's nothing on there yet, and I want to turn it into something like this, which looks much better. So yeah, let's do it. Right, so I have a list here. Just gonna run through this list and do it. So when you have a new Linux distro install, good thing to do is to update and upgrade it. So we can do that quickly. So sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade is run that. Okay, let's move on. Let's just make this a bit bigger. Put it like that. Oh, wants to be like that. Anyway, so the next step is to actually install the Cinnamon desktop and the login screen. So that will be this command. Let's look at it. So sudo apt install Cinnamon desktop environment, and then the light DM slick greeter is the login screen. Okay, so the next after the update, the next command will be to install the Cinnamon desktop and the login screen. So let's just get that command. Alright, yes, so yeah, it's sudo apt install Cinnamon desktop environment. That will install the Cinnamon desktop, and then the light DM sleek greeter will be the login screen. So that's gonna run for a while actually, so we'll come back later. Okay, that took a while. So after the installation of Cinnamon, we need to reboot. Let's remove the old XFCE desktop environment. So let's run this command. So it doesn't default back to that one. Kill it. Reboot. There we go. So it did fail the first time to actually apply this, so you just have to remove the XFCE. It's just better if you do that. Right, so this is the default Cinnamon look. Install. There's the menu. So you don't have to do anything else from here, but we're gonna definitely do more. So just see this Firefox. We definitely want to remove that quickly, so let that run and install Brave rather. Hopefully it will delete that. Okay, say yes, remove it. Then we're gonna just purge any remnants of Firefox and dependencies. Don't want anything left of it. And then we're gonna install a software manager, because it does not, Debian and Kicksecure doesn't have a default software manager with a GUI. So we're just gonna install one there. Right, let's just run the purge. Right, so the software manager is the GNOME software manager. Yes. And let's just see what's next. Right, and then we're gonna install ClamAV, because just to make it a little bit extra secure. Why not? I'm a former Windows user, so I need my antivirus. Install the GNOME software. I wonder if it's installed now. Let's see. Software. I think it's this one. So obviously the Linux software manager is way nicer, but I mean this is still good. Here you can install software. You can search for software. Let's type in VLC. Okay, that's already installed. Here you can actually check what is installed, and you can uninstall it from here. And then updates. Software manager is good. Right, so the next one was the ClamAV. Let's just quickly run that. So I'm going to install ClamAV with its GUI, ClamTK. But you don't need to install the GUI. So it doesn't run in live mode, ClamAV. It's just a scanner. You can scan your system. If you suspect a virus or scan a USB flash drive, it's good to have it. Right, and then we're gonna go to the Linux Mint package repository, and we're gonna download the themes and the backgrounds and so on. So let's just go to my other one here. I have it open here, so I'm gonna copy that IP. So this is the official repository of Linux Mint, and we're gonna open. Oh yeah, I don't have a browser. Install a browser first. So I'm gonna install Brave. So it's quite a process because it's not native to any of these distros. It has its own repository, so you have to do all this or run all this commands. So the curl command, and then the key rings, and so on and so forth. Wow, I should give this VM more RAM. 2 gig is not enough. Sudo app update. Right, let's run that. It's gonna install Brave, and then we're gonna go to the themes and do that, but we might as well install Proton as well now. Just to show you that everything runs fine on Kicksecure. It's not being blocked or think that it would do weird things just because it's more secure. It actually works perfectly fine. So we can quickly check if we go to my Linux Mint Cinnamon here in Proxmox. You can just check out how it actually should look like. So if we go to settings, system settings, it's nice and dark theme on here. I just like this look. Themes. So this is all just the default themes and layout. It's suffering a bit. Running free VMs at the moment. So let's see. Right, so mouse pointer is Babata Modern. Application and desktop is Mint Y Dark Aqua. And icons is Mint Y Sand. So we're gonna install those ones. as soon as Brave is done. And if you look at the software manager, it's just a bit nicer than the GNOME software one, but this one can't be installed in that environment on Debian. I've tried, but it's not working. Right, so that's installed. Let's quickly go to Brave. Ah, there it is. Good. Good. Right, did I copy this? Not that. Where is my other VM? Just copy this again. Sure, I should have. I gave this VM only 2 gig. Very slow. Right, keyring typed in. There's a way to automate that, but I'm not gonna bother now. Definitely set as default. Yeah, we don't want Firefox. Still picks it up though, weird. I thought I removed everything. Finished. Right, I'm not gonna clean up this desktop now. Let's just go to the repository. Files. That. Right, so in the repository you can actually just let me just check. Choose themes. Right. So obviously I'm gonna go for the newest, which is Zaya, and type in themes, search, and it should list all the necessary themes. So I usually just download the cursor theme, save it in downloads. Okay, it blocks it, but just say keep there, and then mint themes, save. Right, let's go back one. I think just type in icons, and it's the mint Y icons. If you want, that's mint Y sand is the default. Save. I have to keep. It should be free now in downloads. Yeah. Unconfirmed. Oh, there's keep it. Right. Yeah, you can check out the other themes and so on. These older ones, going back quite a while, quite back. Right. Okay, maybe backgrounds as well. So Zaya Maya, that's quite old. If you go to the bottom, it has the newest ones. Wilma, I think it's the newest. Anyway, save it in downloads. Keep. Right. Okay, so let's go, and because we installed the GNOME software, we can just right click on this and it should install. So let's go mint themes first. So right click. You can do it with the GDebi package installer, but it didn't work for me. So go to software install, click on it, and hopefully it will work. Right, it opens your software manager, and then just say install. It brings that up, but it unable. The following package have meant X icons, but it's not installed. Why? Should I install the other ones first? Unconfirmed. Come on, let's go. Which one is hanging up? So what, should I install this one first? Let's install this one then. Okay, so that's installed, hopefully. Let's go. Well, let's try the themes now. I don't know why that one is being difficult. Okay, let's install cursors. Install that. And backgrounds. Right, backgrounds. Software install. So let's, I don't know why it is having that problem. Let's go back. It's talking about Mint X icons. Why does it want that? Very strange. I haven't actually experienced that one. Must be something else, I'm sure of it. Right, so everything installed except the most important goddamn one is themes. Themes, Mint themes. Maybe I should get a different one. Right, let's go themes again. Mint, okay. It has to be that one. Right, let's just see if it fixes it. It's very annoying. Might as well install Proton. So let's copy Proton. Oh my god, 2 gigs. That's tragic. Okay, so let's run that. Come on, install it now. Beams. Okay, so hopefully everything installed, so we can check if everything installed by going to the system folder where it gets installed. So that is USR user share. Right, and then it's either icons. Icons are there. So this folder was empty, so all icons was copied into here, so that one is good. And then the other one is themes. So themes are there. And background. It's only these 3 that you need. Wilma. Right, so okay, yes, there. So let's go to system settings and see if it's all good. Close that. Okay, system settings and then themes. Hopefully they are in there, but I might need to restart. I think so. Ah, no, there it is. Pibato Modern Classic. Boom! I've got my little fat mouse pointer. Applications. That's all here. God damn, that's good. So Mint Y Dog. Where is it now? Mint Y Dog. Boom. Nice. And then the icons is Mint Y Sand. Change these icons. Oh, look at that. And this one is mint white dark as well. Mint white dark aqua. Mint white. Oh wait, this one should be mint white dark aqua. Why don't I see it? Hey, why did it jump out? Seriously? Mint white dark aqua. There it is. Okay. Doesn't look like there's a difference, but anyway, this is the default, like the actual Linux Mint default. Wow, it looks good already. Look at that. Look at that. Anyway, let's quickly. Where were we? So load. Yeah. So choose the themes and then backgrounds. And then Brave install and Proton install is done. So yeah, let's go to backgrounds. You go one back and then go into backgrounds. These are the lame ones that came with the system, with Cinnamon. If you want to add those backgrounds that you've downloaded, you click on, you click on the plus sign. You go to this / because you have to go to that user area, user, share, and then backgrounds. I'm just gonna add the bookmarks. Yeah, so add the bookmarks. Good. Okay, just open backgrounds. There's Wilma. Open it and then say open, and it will add it here at the bottom. Click on it and it will list all the backgrounds of that one, but there's lots of other backgrounds that you can use. So yeah, it's pretty cool. How's that one? Pretty serene. Okay, so there is a site that you can go to for backgrounds, but it's risky. I've ran it in triage. No, it's triage. What am I talking about? And it got a 4 out of 10, so I don't know. And then I asked ChatGPT to if that site is a bit risky, and I said there was people complaining about it. So the site is Wallpaper Cave. But I found the nicest backgrounds here of Debian, actually. Very nice, and it's lots of other backgrounds. So I'm not telling you to run this site. Don't do it, especially on Windows. I'm running all this in VMs that I will delete anyway. So just find the background somewhere else. I'm gonna download this just copy that. Come on, just copy that, bring it over here, paste. Well, I can close this one, heating up my RAM. Let's go, give it a little bit of a better background, download. Okay, let's save it there. Right, let's minimize that. We can actually kill that and then go to downloads. Where's the downloads? Why is it not there? Right click and set as wallpaper. Boom. How nice is that? How nice is that? So if you want to choose or change the start menu item, which is this one is boring, right click on it, say configure, and then enable that, and then in icon you can change the so there's lots of default icons here, which is again pretty lame, but there is Debian icons here which you can choose, which I will choose, but you can make your own. You can literally just Google a picture and then turn it into an icon or convert it into an icon, and that's that. Oh yeah, Let's just go there again. I don't want the text there, so kill that text. And there you go. Kicksecure with Cinnamon desktop with lots of security. Running a VPN, and well, you can install Tor browser as well for anonymity. I mean, what else do you need? It's perfect. There's your VPN. It's free. It's Brave. Don't go to this site. And I just love it. So yeah, that's it. Good.